Sticky notes, not just for note-taking. This is a project I've done with students. All you need is some sticky notes, paper, and pencils. I recommend coming up with a character that is kind of bland, kind of regular. You're going to use that character as a blueprint when you add your sticky notes. The sticky notes themselves are partially see-through, so you can see your character underneath, and you can use that as a blueprint to build on top of. Now you can change your regular, normal, boring character into something crazy, unusual, and fun. For instance, maybe this fellow decided to have an extraordinary change in his lifestyle. Maybe he wants to become a punk. So we've given him a mohawk and some big, mean, spiky boots. What could have happened to this guy to cause such a change in his personality? Or maybe it was always there. And of course, if he's a punk, he's up to no good. So let's give him a crowbar. Bit of a spiky bracelet to go along with the theme. And of course, it's pencil, so if you want to change something, go right ahead. You could even take out one of your sticky notes and do something different. It's a great thing about these sticky notes. If you don't like it, pull it off, slap on a new one, start over. Super easy. And they handle an eraser well too. No more waving for him. And of course we gotta make the boots match. While I might have sped up this video a bit, it's still a project that you can do quickly and easily. Skull belt buckle, of course. And as you can see, if the post-it notes overlap, that's fine. They're see-through. You can easily redraw. Or reposition, of course, because they're sticky notes. And I decided along the way that he's going to have some torn, cut-off jeans instead. Got to show off those sexy legs. Or something. Got some gauges in. Is that still a thing? Alright, he's not smiling anymore, now he's snarling, and since he's a punk, I think he's going to be missing a few teeth. And while you're doing this, you can think about your character, what makes him tick. Have some fun. I'm trying to think along the way here. What's he going to have on that shirt? Gotta be something fitting. Alright, you can't have those eyes both be like that, so he's got to have a bit of a snarling look there too. I'm going to keep the other eye though. That one's going to stick. So you can see where we came from and where we ended up. And of course he's going to say, yeah. Because why not? Yeah, I think we got a good character here. We just have to figure out what the heck is he going to have on his shirt? And then it dawned on me. He could only have one thing on his shirt. Yeah. Alright. Anyways, there we are, finishing it up. That is a sticky note drawing. Easy, great project, loosens you up. Have some fun. Everything I used is in the description below. Until next time.